Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 接 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 接 to receive, to catch, to take one's turn on duty. Take one's turn on duty. For example, 接到 to receive, I got a call from the police department. I got a call from the police department. I got a call from the police department. 我接到一个从警局打来的电话。我接到一个电话，一个从警局打来的电话。I got a call from the police department. 一个从警局打来的电话。I got a call from the police department. 我接到一个从警局打来的电话。接 in cursive. 接 to receive, to catch, to take one's turn on duty. 接到 to receive. I got a call from the police department. 我接到一个从警局打来的电话。接 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 接. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.